My dear students, I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Shore, and you are staying at home and listening to your parents and following the health issues. And one thing I must remember you that you are also studying or learning the lessons at home well. So welcome to my class. So in the last class, I discussed Chapter 6, Section 2, truthfulness in brief. And today I will discuss the question answers from 1, 2, 3, 4 from Chapter 6, Section 2, truthfulness. So let's see what is the discussion of today. So today's lesson is on Chapter 6, Section 2, truthfulness. So number 1 is fill in the blanks, and the first one is Prahlad was a dash. The second one is the truthfulness don't think about dash. The third one, number C from 1, the honest never dash even at the cost of their life. Number D, God is never dash to anyone. So let's see the first answer of the first fill in the blanks, number A. Prahlad was a dash. So Prahlad was a devotee of Vishnu. So he was the true devotee of Vishnu. Number 2, the truthfulness don't think about profit or loss. So those who are honest and truthful, they don't think about profit and loss. Then they don't measure the profit or loss before going to do something. They don't even think what will they get in return. So for that reason they don't think about profit and loss. Number C, the honest never tell a lie even at the cost of their life. When their life is in danger, so those who were the honest and the pious people and those who were truthful, they never tell a lie even when their life is in danger. Number D, God is never dash to anyone. So God is never rude to anyone. He or she or Almighty Brahma give scope or chance to be honest. Then the last one, Prahlad said, Desh will save me. So you know the answer well. According to the text, who will save or who saved Prahlad? So Lord Vishnu will save me. Who said? Prahlad said. To whom? To his father Hiranyakashipu. So let's see the next question, a matching column from number 2. So the first one is truthfulness is a part of religion. Truthfulness is a part of religion. Then second one, Prahlad became a devotee of Vishnu. Third one, Prahlad was born of demon clan. That means his father was the king of demons. His father was the king of demons. That means Prahlad took birth in the demons clan. For that reason, it is logical that the son of the demon king will be demon, or his nature will be like demon. But it was not happen the same as expected. It was the opposite. So Prahlad was born of demon clan, but he was the true devotee of Lord Vishnu. Prahlad was thrown into fire. Prahlad was thrown into fire. The truthful are not afraid of death. Just a moment before, I told you in the fill in the blanks, those who are the honest and the pious person, they don't think about their profit and loss and their death, and they are not afraid of their death. In any situation, they will tell the truth, or they will take part, or they suggest the truthful person. So they don't have any fear of death. For that reason they are true honest person. In the next, the matching column after MCQ. Let's see the MCQ and their answer. So first question is, what was the name of Prahlad's father? So you know better than me. You read the text, and according to the section 2 from chapter 6, who was the name or what was the name of Prahlad's father? The first option is Hiranyakashyap. Third one is Hiranyakashyap, and number 4 or D, Hiranyapati. So guess which one is the right answer? So you are absolutely right. The right answer is number C, Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu was the name of Prahlad's father. Number B, whose name did Prahlad always remember? So let's see the options. Option A, Vishnu. Number B, Krishna. Number C, Shiva. And number D, Durga. So what is your guess? The right one is, whose name did Prahlad always remember? So Lord Vishnu. So Lord Vishnu's name always Prahlad remember. So why? Because he was the true devotee of Vishnu. Let's see the third one or number C from number 3. Number C, which house was Prahlad pushed into? So let's see the options. Number A, tiger's house. Number B, lion's house. Number C, snake's house. And number D, bear's house. Which one was is the right answer? Number C is the right answer, snake's house. So he was sent or pushed into the snake's house. Poisonous snakes in the house in which Prahlad was pushed into, it was full of the poisonous snakes. So he was sent or pushed into that room. So which house was Prahlad pushed into? Number C, the right answer, snake's house. Number D, what did not Prahlad renounced at great pains? So devotion of Vishnu, kingship, power, money. So what did not Prahlad renounce at great pains? What did not Prahlad renounce at great pains? So right answer is number A, devotion of Lord Vishnu. So let's see the question of number E or number 5 from number 3. What would we be following Prahlad's way of life? So what we'll learn? A, wealthy. B, wise. Number C, saint. Number D, truthful. So you know the moral of the story of section 2 from chapter 6. So what was the moral of the story? That will be honest and truthful by following Prahlad's life. So which one is the right answer? Number D, truthful. So let's see the short questions. Number 4. The first one is, what is truthfulness? The right answer is, truthfulness means always speaking the truth. Number B, why was Hiranyakashipu displeased with Prahlad? So why was not Hiranyakashipu pleased with his son Prahlad? So let's see the answer. What is the right answer? Hiranyakashipu was displeased with Prahlad because Prahlad was a devotee of Vishnu, but he was the rival of Lord Vishnu. So here the option that his son was the true devotee of Lord Vishnu, but Hiranyakashipu didn't like Lord Vishnu. He was the rival of Lord Vishnu. Number C, what did the elephants do when Prahlad was thrown under its feet? So when Prahlad was thrown under the elephant's feet, it picked him up onto his back. So when Prahlad was thrown under the elephant's feet, it picked him up onto his back. So number D, what would we be following Prahlad's way of life? So we would be truthful following Prahlad's way of life. So we'd be truthful by following Prahlad's way of life. So number E, in which form of incarnation did Vishnu kill Hiranyakashipu? In which form of incarnation did Vishnu kill Hiranyakashipu? The right answer is Lord Vishnu killed Hiranyakashipu in form of Nrsimha. His was that of lion and his body was like that of a human. So he was that of a lion and his body was like that of a human. So that's all from chapter 6 section 2. So you have a home task. From chapter 6 section 2, truthfulness. So learn the question 1, 2 from page 44 and 3 and 4 from page 45. So I discussed the question answer 1 to 4 from page 44 and page 45 from chapter 6 section 2. So you must learn the questions from this chapter. So I hope you understand the answer. So there it is not mandatory that you must learn the answers made by me. You are always free. You can think yourself and you can make your answer by taking your parents' help or teacher's help, or I will appreciate you or encourage you to make the answers by yourself. You can write if it is logical and it will be acceptable. So if you are writing the logical answer, then you will get the full marks. So never ever think about the full marks. Write about yourself. So read the text again and again and try to find out the answers, and you can take help from my answers also. So I hope you understand the fact from chapter 6 section 2, truthfulness. I hope you will learn it at home. So till then, be happy, stay at home and follow the health issues and learn the lessons at home. So see you in the next class. So in the next class I will discuss a new chapter from your book. So stay at home and be happy. See you in the next class. Goodbye. Take care.